How to delete your Tumblr account permanently. Hey guys, in this tutorial, I'll show you guys how you can easily delete your Tumblr account permanently. First thing first, head over to Google or any of your browser. I'm using Google Chrome. Click on the search bar and then search for tumblr.com. Hit enter, and then you should be taken to the Tumblr's official site. Just make sure you're logged into the account that you want to delete. Now, if you just want to delete individual blogs, you can do that. So I've got my secondary blog right here. If I just click on it and then go to blog settings, I can scroll all the way to the bottom to delete the blog. But if you want to delete your main account, you're going to have to go to settings and scroll all the way to the bottom. Here you'll find the option to delete account. Now, first thing you're going to have to do is set a password for your Tumblr account if you haven't done that. So you could just click on send password reset. It will send you the email, and once you confirm the email, you should be able to delete your account. You can do the same thing for your primary blog. So if you head over to the blog settings on your primary blog, you're going to have to delete your account associated with it. So go to account settings. It's going to take you to the same page where you can delete it. That's pretty much it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one.